Applying Stoic principles to achieve success can be a powerful approach. Here are 6 Stoic principles that can help you on your path to success. Stoicism teaches us to focus our energy on things within our control and accept what is not in the pursuit of success. This means concentrating on your efforts, attitude, and decisions rather than fixating on external circumstances or the opinions of others. Stoics advocate for setting clear and rational goals. Define what success means to you in specific, achievable terms. This clarity helps you stay focused and motivated. Stoicism places a strong emphasis on developing virtuous character traits such as wisdom, courage, justice, and self-discipline. These virtues can guide your actions and decisions, leading to a more successful and fulfilling life. Stoicism teaches that obstacles are opportunities for growth and learning. When you encounter challenges on your path to success, view them as chances to develop resilience and gain valuable experience. Stoicism encourages inner calm and tranquility in the face of external events. In the pursuit of success, this means staying composed, managing stress, and not allowing setbacks or failures to disrupt your long-term focus. Stoics emphasize the importance of gratitude for what you have, rather than constantly craving more. Acknowledging your blessings can help you maintain perspective and motivation on your journey to success. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more videos. Goodbye.